What happens when you don't maintain your snowblower? Well, you better have a shovel handy. At eReplacementParts.com, we make it easy to keep your snowblower up and running, and in this video, we'll give you 6 important tips to maintain it. Check and replace the spark plug. Some symptoms of a bad spark plug include rough idling, hard starts, and engine misfires. Remove the spark plug and check for dirt or debris. You can try cleaning it off, but if you see any damage or corrosion, you'll want to replace it. Click below to pick up a manufacturer-approved spark plug to get you through the rest of the season. Clean the carburetor. If your snowblower's engine is running rough, it's most likely the symptom of a dirty carburetor. Remove the carburetor, dismantle it, clean it with carb cleaner, and replace any worn components. If you need a carburetor repair kit, eReplacementParts.com has you covered. Check for old or bad fuel. If your snowblower is sputtering or running rough, it may be because of old or bad fuel. Flush the old fuel out of the system and replace with fresh gas. Remember to do oil changes. Locate the drain plug and drain the old oil. Replace the plug once it's all drained and replenish with fresh oil. Check your owner's manual to determine the proper amount of oil for your snowblower. Lubricate moving parts. Properly lubricating your snowblower's moving components will help it work trouble-free for years. Use a lubricant spray on your cables, chute, auger, and impeller. It will help protect it from whatever winter throws at it. Adjust the skid shoes and skid plate. If your snowblower is throwing gravel or scraping up your driveway, it may be time to adjust or replace the skid shoes or skid plate. Inspect both to determine if they can be adjusted. If they can't be adjusted or are completely worn out, they'll need to be replaced. These tips should help keep your snowblower working like new. And if you need any repair parts or maintenance kits, click below to visit us at eReplacementParts.com.